Hi there, welcome to the Life Skills Green. Today in this chapter 29, we are going to learn demonstratives, the use of this, that, these, those. Here we have what are demonstratives. Demonstratives are words that point to specific people, things or ideas. They help specify which noun we are talking about. The four main demonstratives are this singular near, that singular far, these plural near, those plural far. Usage of demonstratives. This refers to a singular noun that is near the speaker, can refer to people, things or ideas close in time or space. Examples here: this book is interesting, this is my friend Sarah, I like this song, this morning was very busy. Number 2, that refers to a singular noun that is far from the speaker, used for things or people at a distance in space or time. Examples: that car over there is expensive, that was a great movie, do you remember that day, that man is my uncle. Number 3, these refers to plural nouns that are near the speaker. Examples: these apples are fresh, these are my friends, I like these shoes, these days are very hot. Number 4, those refers to plural nouns that are far from the speaker. Examples: those mountains are beautiful, those are her books, look at those stars, those people live in my neighborhood. Demonstratives in sentences: affirmative, negative and interrogative. Here we have affirmative, negative, interrogative column. This is my pen, this is not my pen, is this your pen, that is your jacket, that is not your jacket, is that your jacket, these are my keys, these are not my keys, are these your keys, those are their bags, those are not their bags, are those their bags. Special notes: this, these, that, those. This is delicious. We can also use demonstratives can also replace nouns completely, as in this is delicious, referring to food, those were amazing days. Here we have more examples for practice. This phone is new. Now explanation here: singular noun near speaker, this phone is new. That restaurant is closed, singular noun far from speaker. These chairs are comfortable, plural nouns near speaker. Those birds are flying high, plural nouns far from speaker. Is this your bag? Question about singular noun object. Are those your shoes? Question about plural for objects. Thanks. See you in the next chapter.